Hello, in this tutorial we are going to find out cut length of rectangular stirrup. Okay, in metric system we are done with the FPS system in feet and the inches. So let's get started. Now here basically we have the cross section, and a cross section, let's suppose we have column, or it could be beam as well. It is 450 by 300. Okay, and next to it we have given data over here. A is equal to 300. A basically right from this position up till this position, including concrete cover, remember. Okay, it is 300. And B right from this position up till here, it is 450. And dia that we are using for this stirrup is 6 mm, and concrete cover is 40 mm. We are taking here what? The 40 mm. Okay, and bend, basically these hooks I am talking about, it is 14 dB. Okay, we have two hooks over here. Now formula to find out cut length of rectangular stirrup is A, small a, okay, into 2. Okay, basically small a is when we will deduct concrete cover from both ends, it will give us the value of small a. Okay, multiply by, we have two sides, this side and this side, plus B, again the same, right from this position up till here, minus concrete cover at both ends, it will give us the B value, into 2, into hook length. Okay, we have two hooks over here, and usually we take a 135-degree hook over here. Okay, minus bend deductions. Okay, we have 3 bends for 90-degree and 2 for hooks. Okay, 135-degree. Now where A is equal to large A minus 2 into concrete cover from both ends, and B is equal to large B, okay, this B, minus concrete cover from both ends. And hook length we are taking here 14 dB, so we have two hooks, so 2 into 14 dB. dB is basically dia of bar. And bends, we have 3 bends, okay, this one, and this one for 90-degree. And for deduction we will take 2D, and for 135-degree bend we will take deductions as 3D. Okay, now next to it, let's put the values over here, where A is equal to, if we find out the A, total large A minus 2 into concrete cover, so A is equal to 220, and B is equal to 450. This is a value, minus 2 into concrete cover, we have concrete cover at both ends, and B is equal to 370. So for cutting length formula, it is A into 2, that is 220 into 2, plus B into 2, 370 into 2, plus we have hook length, and we have two hooks, 2 into 14 D, okay, minus we need to do the bend deductions. We have 3 bends for 90-degree 2D, and 2 bends for 135-degree 3D. Okay, so cut length of stirrup will be equal to 1276 millimeter, mean 1.276 meter. Okay, so this is how we can find out cut length of rectangular stirrup. Hope you really understand this session. I'll see you in the next.